Hi, Lucas. I miss you. So, let's take a look at your sim. Right now, you're talking to Ariana. There you are. So, you wanted to play with the laser pointer with Rosie. So, let's do that first. Or, sorry, not Rosie, Patches. So, I'm going to call over Patches, and we'll see if she comes. Where is... There she is. Cool. Okay, let's play with the laser pointer with her. And Ariana, I'm just going to move you. I think that looks like you, Lucas. Patches loves the laser pointer. It has a little fish on it. So cute. All right. And then let's give her a quick hug. We'll pick Patches up. She's so cute. Oh, Rosie likes you. Oh, cute. Yeah, you're smiling. Awesome. Let's feed Rosie. So we'll come in here and we're going to call Rosie over to eat. Rosie, come here. Oh, she's thinking about food too. She was hungry. Awesome. Yum. Oh, goodness. Patches is on the counter. Bad girl. She's silly. Awesome. Well, Lucas, that is your sim. I hope you enjoyed watching that. And we will see your sim again at the end of the year class party that we'll have in our virtual world. All right. See you later.